Can you hear me? Can you hear? Can you hear me well? Okay then. So Elia greets beloved Father YAHVAH personally. And Elia greets YAHOSHUAH personally as well. And for the children of God who deserve, YAHOSHUAH bless you all. Is it cutting? However, I can hear you well. So, is it clear so far or not? So, is the voice now clear? So, how do you worship YAHOSHUAH? Is it going well or not? Do you have a very strong faith? Are your making amends goes well? Is the way you show the love of YAHOSHUAH goes well? Is the way you honor the blood of YAHOSHUAH going well? YAHOSHUAH bless you all. You always must be strong. You have to cheer up when you're worshiping. You always have to stand firm with your worship. You have to show to YAHOSHUAH how you love YAHOSHUAH. Here, we are looking for enemies, so that people can really listen to the words. And we always ask YAHOSHUAH. So if that is the thing that Elia does from here for the other nations, so how much you should stand firm, you who already know, because you really must have to stand firm and never joke the worshiping of YAHOSHUAH, but you have to worship Him with love, with your heart, with your love, and with all of your strength and energy, so that you can go on the love of YAHOSHUAH, because it must be seen in our life, in the life of all ZS, the love of YAHOSHUAH. So wherever you are, it's always the love of YAHOSHUAH. So whatever happens, it's always with the love of Yahushua. Never do something which saddens Yahushua till the end. You have to remember my words, that word. Never do something which makes Yahushua sad. Because you should be lucky that you were chosen. You should be lucky that you were saved. Who are happy that they are saved? And if you are happy because you are saved, don't slow down following Yahushua. But always stand firm with the worship, by worshiping Yahushua. Is that clear, children? Yeah, tonight we're going to be together. At 8 p.m. from you, we're going to meet again. But now we're going to cut it. And tonight you're gonna see me live. You're going to see me on live. At 9 p.m. from you. That means that it's at 10:30 p.m. from us. So we're going to meet again. Is that clear? So be careful with the love of Yahushua. Don't forget it. Always show it so that Yahushua and Father YAHVAH can see how you love them. Is that clear? Okay then, you can go back home then, but it's at 8 p.m. It's in this, tonight at 8 p.m. that we're going to meet again. Yeah, it's at night. It's tonight. So Yahushua bless you. You can go back home. So it's tonight at 8 p.m. Yahushua bless you all. Okay, give glory to Yahushua. Yahushua bless you all. Okay, that's it. Yahushua bless you all.